So what's good, everybody? A friend of mine, that's the owner of 17th and Granville, reached out to me to do some more modeling and stuff for their brand. And they sent me a couple of things that I want to show everybody. I'm gonna do pictures, I'm gonna do a video in the clothing and stuff, but I want to make a shout out to the owner of 17th and Granville. Thank you for letting me be a brand ambassador, for giving me an opportunity to be a part of something, and just for being inclusive of everybody. So the first thing I want to open is the smaller package. Now, I believe what this is the crop top for my girlfriend. I'm gonna have her model it too, because she really wanted to be a part of it as well. And that's the thing, like, it's fun to be a part of something. So first we have this, because I'm doing my unboxing video. I didn't even say that, but you know. Yep, this is the crop top. This is the crop top. This is the pronoun crop top. So it has the she, they, them, he, him, and all that stuff. I'm not gonna open it because this is for my girlfriend. I'm gonna let her open that. I see I got a t-shirt in here. Let me open it. Oh, this is their Choices t-shirt. I'm not sure what the actual what the line is called, but I know it says Choices. I'm gonna open it with these. If I can open it with these. Alright, so they have this beautiful t-shirt that I've been looking at, to be honest, on their website. Choices, life coach, generational wealth, support system, you know, all of that stuff. So is that. If I can fold, that'd be great. Okay, so, and I believe that this package is a sweatsuit with, well, not a sweatsuit, but a sweatshirt with shorts and an orange. So, yep. Okay, so that, definitely love that it has a 17th and Granville logo, so I can rock that. But we got these shorts right here. Beautiful, very comfortable material. It shows the logo. And then we have the hoodie, which also has the logo. Beautiful logo. So again, I want to thank my friend for reaching out to me, Donnie Lyrics. I appreciate you. My girlfriend appreciates you. I'm gonna definitely be doing videos in these clothing. I'm definitely gonna be doing a photo shoot, different stuff like that. So that was my unboxing video. That's pretty much it.